570, and we'll do this all over again. We'll get her right sooner or later. Yeah, we did so. Larry Mulligan, if you want to come down here to the registration booth, we'll give you a t-shirt.
We got them already.
He's got it already, good. Well, he's going to look good in it. That's great. Must have been an Oliver t-shirt, was it, Tom? Oh? Well, he'll look good in it no matter what. Jim McCullough coming down here.
Sorry.
$5.70 contest. Oh, that's a nice t-shirt. Yeah, that is so. Bruce County Heritage Association t-shirt. And many of you folks would like one, you can purchase them at the booth over there at the Bruce County Heritage booth up at by the main building.